Fuck all the bullshit. Nigga, fuck it. Fuck it. I can flip this hoe forward, nigga. Okay. Back then they didn't want me, now I'm feeling kinda lonely. Back then they didn't want me, now I'm feeling kinda lonely. Back then they didn't want me, now I'm feeling kinda lonely. Back then they didn't want me, now I'm feeling kinda lonely. Okay, who said that Mike Jones was a fucking thug? He bout to pick his scrubs, know he bout to scrub his rug. Pulling out the car seat, didn't know he mattress. Bout to hit that mattress from, you know he looking plastic. He got that perfect, then he got his bed. Mike Jones that fake ass nigga, now he dead. Where the fuck he be at now? I don't even fucking see him. Haven't made an album in I don't know how many years I've been. About to hit this hole, then I'm flowing to his beat. He's about the fucking beat, but he don't know about me. Coming down hard, and you know I don't play. Lil J back then, and then you know I don't play. I've been a thug since I was 3 years old. Lil J coming down with his glasses, and you know, about to hit my fucking money, and you know I get fucked. About to show your girl, man, that Lil J is what's up. Let me see, man. I don't even know what to say about this nigga, cause this nigga is a fucking ass, man. Okay, he screaming back then they didn't want him. Back then and now, then they still don't fucking want him. He getting flossing, then he got his grill. Mike Jones faker, then he grill. Now he ain't real. I could hit this hoe, then I'm looking like a pro. Real H-Town nigga, and you already know. Ain't no fucking false claiming, and you know I don't play. When it come to my hood, man, you know I'm just gonna slay. Okay, I'ma keep it. I keep it on 100. About to hit this hoe, then you know I fucking stunning. About to hit your fucking girl, and you know she be on me. Lil J coming down, hit you in the funny, bony, lonely. Switch the camera views twice, you know I don't play. Lil J back then, and you know I'm gonna slay. Okay, I've been riding a motherfucking bike. Started off no training, which you know I'm looking right. I started off 3 first pair of Jordans, and you know you can't see. Lil J been hustling ever since he was 3. Selling crack and whipping dope ever since I was 4. About to hit this fucking beat, and you already know. Fuck the paper and the pen, nigga sitting on the floor. About to hit this fucking beat, and you know I'm for sure. J coming down hard, and you already know. Okay, I guess my grind, then I guess my fucking paper. About to hit your hoe, and you know I ain't no raper. About to fuck that girl up, and you know I'm about to hit her. Fucking in the room, and you know I'm getting bigger. She in the bed, she turning and she twisting. Lil J got her on her side, you know she about to listen. Okay, she fucking real hard, and you know she moaning. Lil J broke the bed, and you know I'm moaning. About to hit this fucking beat, and you know, about to hit your hoe, now she looking like that pro. About to hit your hoe, and you know she do her. Lil J got the skills, and you know I do me. Okay, long dick, you know I don't play. Lil J coming down with that real oil lay. Okay, feeling kinda with a slippery man. Been up in your girl cunt, you know I don't play. I beat her up, I tore up good. She a owner her mind, and you know I was hood. After hit my fucking point, then I hit my exclamation. Lil J hit that girl, and you know I get my thumbs. Alright, Facebook, man. I'm saying that's that fucking beat, man. I'll tell you, I'm coming back with some shit, bro. You don't even know me, bro. You don't even fucking see me because I'm on your TV, man. Alright, that's the fucking shit. I'm about to send this whole to YouTube right now. It's about to get it done.